And the race is on. Tiger Moon from the outside. Queen Sprayer. Miss Chanel down on the inside. Leg is way. Getting better. Eagle Swing down on the inside. Miss Chanel, Queen Sprayer, Lake's Ways racing from the outside, Eagle Swing, Tiger Moon, Ice Storm is racing 6, then comes Wild Wind, La Huerta, getting better, and Anonymous running at the tail of the field by about 10 or 11 lengths of the leader. Miss Chanel, Lake's Way, Queen Sprayer, Eagle Swing down on the inside, Tiger Moon is racing from the outside, and La Huerta, Ice Storm getting better, Wild Wind, and Anonymous still running at the back of the pack. Lake's Way, Miss Chanel, Tiger Moon is on the outside, and Eagle Swing down on the inside, getting better as they swing for home. Tiger Moon is now the leader. Eagle Swing down on the inside, La Huerta, Miss Chanel, Lake's Way, Queen Sprayer, and down on the inside is Ice Storm. And nearing the finish line, Tiger Moon by some 2 lengths. Ice Storm getting better is on the outside. And finally, number 10, Tiger Moon. Second, getting better, Ice Storm, Eagle Swing, and Queen Sprayer for a Fantafecta. Then comes Anonymous, Wild Wind.